So let's start with Akbar. Coronated Kalnor after the Humayun death. बैरम खान ट्यूटर थे अकबर के. वाकिल टाइटल खाने खानन. थ्रेट ऑफ हेमू nephew of Sher Adil Shah appointed Wazir and title Vikramjit by Hemu. Battle of Panipat 1556. Akbar unrelenting. He made up his mind about course of action. Mandu became center for music. Honor gallant. Jamal and Patta. Akbar two stone statues seated on elephants erected outside chief gate of the fort at Agra. Administration. Akbar adopted Sher Shah system, cultivated area measured and crop rate drawn up, fixing dues of peace and crop wise on basis productivity of land. Then Akbar reverted annual assessment, जिसे क्वेन नन गोस कहते हैं. हेरिडिटरी होल्डर्स ऑफ लैंड रिपोर्ट ऑन एक्चुअल प्रोड्यूस. डिसऑनेस्ट ऑफिशियल्स कॉल्ड करोरीज अपॉइंटेड नॉर्थ इंडिया. collection of crore of dams, checked facts and figures supplied by Kyun Nun Ghosh. As per information, Akbar institute system called Dahshala. Average produce of different crops as well as average prices prevailing over last 10 Dah years calculated. Improvement Pargana, same style of productivity grouped into separate assessment circles. Remission given if crops failed. Japti system of measurement and assessment associated with Todermal. Revenue officer who first served Sher Shah called Todermal's Bandobast. Batai or Gala Bakshi produce divided between peasants and state in fixed proportion, then crop divided after threshed. Nasak, rough calculation of the amount payable by the peasant on the basis of what he had been paying in the past. Right? Next is fixing amount to be paid by village as a whole called concut or estimation. For fixing land revenue continuity take account. Polaj, Chachar. Polaj क्या है? Land which remain under cultivation almost every year and uncultivated land को कहते हैं पराती fallow. Chachar land fallow for 2 or 3 years and if longer than buncher. Land classified in good, middling and bad. Amil, advance money by way of loans, takvi, to peasants for seeds, implements, animals. Mansabdari, every officer assigned rank, जिसे मनसब कहते हैं. Lowest 10 and highest 5,000 for nobles, princes of blood. Plus origin of this traced back to Genghis Khan, organized army on decimal basis, plus person holding rank below 500, Jat called Mansabdars, from 500 to below 2500 called Amirs, holding ranks 2500 and above Amir e Umada or Umada e Azam. Example, Mirza Aziz Koka and Raja Man honored rank 7,000 each. Rank division in two. Jat, fixed personal status of person and salary due to him. Savar, number of cavalrymen Savars a person required to maintain and to recruit experienced and well-mounted Savars. Descriptive role, chehra of soldier maintained and horse branded imperial marks called Dag system. Musketeers, bandukchi, sappers and miners recruited. Find of horse and elephants. So maintained strong park of artillery but lack of strong navy weakness. Organization of government. Paranga and Sarkar continued. Chief officers of Sarkar, Faujdar, charge of land, law and order. Amal Guzar, assessment and collection of land revenue. Territories, empire divided. Khalisa, Inam, Jagir. Khalisa, income from Khalisa villages went directly to royal exchequer. Inam, lands allotted to learned and religious men. Jagirs allotted nobles and men and members of royal family including queens. Amal Gujar required to exercise general supervision over all types of holdings so that imperial rules and regulations for assessment and land revenue uniform. Head of Revenue Department continued to be Wazir. Diwan responsible for all income and expenditure and control Khalisa, Jagir and Inam lands. Akbar used title Diwan at Diwan-e-Ala in preference of Wazir. Head of Military Department Mir Bakshi. Head of Nobility, Head of Intelligence and Information Agencies of Empire. Recommendations for appoint to mansabs or promotions. Sent to Diwan for confirmation. Intelligence officers called Bariz. New reporters called Wakia Naviz. Mir Saman, charge of imperial household including supply of all provision and articles haram. Karkhanas, articles manufactured under supervision in royal workshops. Chief Qazi, Judicial Department, Akbar Abdul Nabi. Chief Sadr, responsible charitable and religious endowments. Open Darbar Diwan-e-Am. Abdul Qadir Badoni translated Ramayana into Persian. Akbar. Hira Vijaya Suri, renowned Jain Acharya, honored by Akbar. Muzaffar Khan Tarbati, first person given proper status of Diwan by Akbar. Dehshala, land revenue system developed by Todermal. Deen-e-Ilahi 1532. Ulema Muhammad Jajdi from Jaunpur issued fatwa against Akbar. राइट अगर आप एमपी का एग्जाम दे रहे हो तो ये लाइन देख लेना. अकबर अटैक्ड बाज बहादुर ऑफ मालवा, enjoyed music with Queen Roopmati and lost battle Sarangpur, but he finds place in Navratna. Right? तो जहांगीर gave title Nadir Uzzaman to Abul Hasan. Fine. इसके साथ ही थोड़ा मुगल आर्ट देख लेते हैं. बुक में जो दिया हुआ है, द टिमुरिड कोर्ट एट समरकंद डेवलप्ड एज अ कल्चर सेंटर फॉर वेस्ट एंड सेंट्रल एशिया. Bolis, water tanks or well. Babur fond of gardens such as Nishant Garden in Kashmir, Shalimar at Lahore, Pinjore Garden, Punjab foothills. Sher Shah famous mausoleum at Sasaram, Bihar and mosque in Old Fort. Akbar, Agra fort in red sandstone and Shah Jahan built red fort at Delhi. Fatehpur Sikri style Gujarat and Bengal, Panch Mahal for taking air. बुलंद दरवाजा, लॉफ्टी गेट, हाफ डोम पोर्टल borrowed from Iran, which is sliced dome half and sliced portion provide massive outward facade of gate while small doors made rear wall. Fine. अब आगे पढ़ते हैं अकबर के बारे में, जहाँ से हमने पहले किया था स्टॉप. Bathing apartment, private consultation chamber called Gusail Khana. Abolish jizya, non-Muslim pay in Muslim state. Pilgrims tax on bathing at holy places, but also forcibly converting prisoners of war to Islam. Akbar biographer Abdul Fazl. Policy of Sulh Kul or peace to all by Abul Fazl at office of true ruler responsible depend on divine illumination. Fare-Izadi. At paternal love towards subject without sect creed. At large heart wishes of great and small attended. At prayer and devotion. At maintain equilibrium in society, not allowing one rank interfere in another, and not allow dust of sectarian strive to rise. Ibadat Khana, hall of prayer, where Akbar discussed religious and spiritual topics with theologians and mystics. Mada-e-Mush, charitable land. Mahzar per declaration, conflicting views among those who consider fit interrupt Quran is my Jarahahis. Word Tawheed-e-Ilahi, order of sophistic type, means divine monotheism used by Abul Fazl, just given by ruler to novice, placed head at feet, then emperor gave. Pabos kissing floor before sovereign. Navratna. Annexation अकबर 1561 में मालवा, 1568 मेवाड़ चित्तौड़, उदय सिंह वेंट फॉरेस्ट, 1572 फास्टेस्ट मार्च इन हिस्ट्री दिल्ली टू गुजरात, मार्क हिज हिस्ट्री बुलंद दरवाज़ा, उसकी विक्ट्री को मार्क करने के लिए बुलंद दरवाज़ा फतेहपुर सिकरी, 1574 to 75 बंगाल एंड बिहार, 1576 हल्दी घाटी का वॉर हुआ था, मानसिंह एंड महाराणा प्रताप. कमांडर राणा प्रताप आर्मी हाकिम खान. एम ऑफ अकबर to subdue Rana Pratap of Mewar. 1606 Asirgarh, Fort of Khandesh, Southern MP and Chhattisgarh last battle. Right. First matrimonial alliance with the Rajput established by Akbar with the house Kachwas. Sheikh Munufin, Chist of Ajmer visited by Akbar. Adam Khan personally killed by Akbar. Rao Chandler, son of Madwar, not surrender Mughals. Durgavati fought against Akbar, who was a queen of Mandala, called the enlightened despot. Fine. So this much. Thank you.